Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe, and welcome to my 2,310th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni. Good evening, traders. This video coming at you on a Monday night where I just came back from the Raiders, baby. What a great game. Oh my God, it was fantastic. Go Raiders, go. Video 2310 is for trading Monday night through Tuesday's close on 9/14/21. Traders, please remember how risky this can be. Put your stops in first. Never trade without them. Know that you can lose more money than you even have in your trading accounts. If you are in options on the short side, short futures, boy oh boy, you could be hammered. Please know this and put your stops in always. All right, so where are we? OMNI S&P Daily bar chart. I'm going to show you something, and then I'll show you why I am going to make this call. I am going to call bullshit in plain English on this drop. It's over. That's it. I'm calling BS. Why? Well, let's take a look. You do not get that many red days connected in a row. You just don't get them. It doesn't happen. 4. Then we come down to the line almost and explode, right? Here, 4. Then we explode. 3 of them, we explode. Once again, I showed you 4, almost to the line, we rally up. 3 to the line, almost, we rally out. 2 to the line, almost, we rally out. What's this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and just about to the line. That's it for the downside. I am calling BS, in plain English, bullshit on this down move. So that's it. We're going to buy the dips if we can get a fill in OMNI S&P. But please, traders, put your stops in because this doesn't mean I'm going to be right. But I do say it's time to call end of the down move, at least for one day. But never, ever trade without these, just in case tomorrow the market goes straight down. You've got to have a stop in so you get knocked out of the trade if, in fact, you are incorrect. So never trade without stops, illustrated by this red circle with the X in it. Put your stops in first, but I will be looking to buy the dips in the OMNI S&P, thinking that we've been down for too many days now. It doesn't fit the pattern. We've almost bounced off the line. That does fit the pattern, and it is time for us to start buying dips. All right, traders, remember, put those stops in case we're wrong. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com in my free live trading room. Good luck trading on Tuesday, and remember, put your stops in. Keep your emotions out of your decisions. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you at livewithoscar.com.